Good morning, grade 1. Good morning, grade 2. How are you today? If I say, Good morning, grade 1. Good morning, grade 2. How are you today? You will answer it with, Hello, teacher. Hello, classmates. I feel good today. Did you get it? Okay, let's do it again. Good morning, grade 1. Good morning, grade 2. How are you today? Hello, teacher. Hello, classmates. I feel good today. I also feel good because you were able to attend our science class for today. But before we start our lesson, let me introduce myself first. My name is Teacher Diana. Teacher Diana. As we start our lesson or our class for today, you will always remember our two classroom reminders. Number 1 is, you must always have your eyes on your screen. Eyes on your screen. You must not wander your eyes around because you will get distracted, and that is bad because you will never able to learn our lesson for today. The second one is, you must listen attentively to what the teacher is saying. I am the teacher and you are the students. Again, what are the two classroom reminders? Very good. The two classroom reminders are always eyes on their screen and listen attentively to your teacher. Now, for the grade 1 students, who is absent for today? No one? Very good. And for the grade 2 students, who among you is absent for today? Very good, no one is absent. For the grade 1 pupils, what was the last topic all about? Okay, very good, weather. Give some examples of weather. Very good. And for the grade 2 students, what was our last topic all about? Yes, it is the basic needs of the animals. So, what is the basic needs of the animals? Okay? Food, water, air, and shelter. Very good. And what will happen if they are not provided with this need? Very good. They will die. Now, as we begin our lesson, let's try to sing a song. Who among you is excited to sing a song? Wow! All of you are excited to sing a song. Now, stand up, sing, and enjoy the song. Do you know the parts of plants, the parts of plants, the parts of plants? Do you know the parts of plants that make them grow and grow? The roots they hold the plant in place, the plant in place, the plant in place. The roots they hold the plant in place and soak up wood and water too. Do you know the parts of plants, the parts of plants, the parts of plants? Do you know the parts of plants that make them grow and grow? The stem moves water up the plant, up the plant, up the plant. The stem moves water up the plant, Bring water to the leaves. The leaves soak up the rays of the sun, the rays of the sun, the rays of the sun. The leaves soak up the rays of the sun and help the plant make food. Very good! And because you all did a great job in dancing and singing, let us give ourselves ang galing clap. Ang galing! Ang galing! Ang galing-galing! Now, you may take your seat. Did you know that the plants have its own parts? Yes, it is. And that will be our lesson for today. For grade 1, we will be learning the parts of the plants, and for grade 2, we will be learning the parts of the plants and its functions. Plants have an external part that helps them grow, survive, and reproduce. This part includes the roots, the stem, the leaves, the fruit, and the flower. Do you have a plant in your house or in surroundings? If you have, get it and let's try to explore these parts and its functions. Again, what are the 5 parts of the plant? The roots, the stem, the leaves, the fruit, and the flower. And these parts have their own functions. Yes, they have their own job. Teacher, how do you say so? Let's now explore the functions of the plant. The first one is roots. Roots can absorb water and minerals from the soil and hold the plant in the ground so it does not fall over. Do you know that the parts of the plants can be eaten? Yes, it is. Some examples of the roots that we eat are carrots and potatoes. The second part of the plant is stem. Stem is strong and help hold the plant up. It is also let the water and nutrients flow up to the leaves. Some examples of the stem that we eat are sugarcane, celery, and asparagus. The third part is leaves. Leaves collect sunlight and make food for the plant. Leaves comes in a different shades and sizes, but the most leaves are flat and green. Some examples of the leaves that we usually eat are mints and spinach. The fourth part of the plant is fruit. Fruits are the parts of the plants that protect seeds and help seed get moved from place to place by an animal. Some examples of the fruit that we usually eat are mangoes, eggplant, and tomatoes, etc. The last part of the plant is flower. Flower are the part of the plant that make seeds and fruit. Flowers are colorful so they can attract animals like hummingbird and bees. And yes, if you think that the flower can be eaten, you think it right. Here are some examples of the flowers that can be eaten. The lavender and the roses. Again, what are the parts of the plant, grade 1? Very good. And for the grade 2, what are the functions of the roots? Yes, very good. How about the stem? Correct. And the leaves? You're right. How about the fruits? Oh yes. And the last, the flower? That's right. Now that we have identified the parts of the plants and its functions, let's try to learn about their importance and importance of their parts and the plants in our surroundings. I will ask some questions and you will have to answer it, okay? First is for grade 1. What will happen to plant if they don't have any parts? Yes, plants will not able to grow, survive, and reproduce. For grade 2, what will happen if the plant will become endangered or already gone in the earth? Yes, because if plant will become endangered or already gone on earth, then we will not have food to eat. The plant is also important to earth because the plant gives oxygen and food for us. And that is why grade 1 and grade 2, you must always protect our plants and never destroy it, okay? Very good. So now, we will be having an activity. For grade 1, I will give a picture and identify what part of plant it is. What part of plant it is? Very good. It is roots. How about this? It is the stem. And this? Very good. It is the leaves. And this, what it is? It is the fruit. And what it is? The flower. And for grade 2, I will be showing some pictures of parts of the plant and give the functions of it. Understand? Okay. Let's first have this. What it is and what is the function of this? Very good. Roots can absorb water and minerals from the soil and hold the plant in the ground so it does not fall over. The second is this. What it is and what is the function of this? Very good. This is stem. Stem is a strong and help hold the plant up. The third part is this. What it is and what is the function of this? Yes, it is right. This is leaves. Leaves collect sunlight and make food for the plant. Next is this. What is it? And what is the function of this? Yes, that is right. Fruit are the parts of the plant that protect seeds and help the seed to get moved from place to place by an animal. And the last is this. What is this and what is the function of this? That is right. Flowers are the parts of the plant that make seed and fruit. We will have again a short activity, and the first one to have an activity is grade 1. For grade 2, please be quiet and do not disturb the grade 1, okay? For grade 1, I want you to label the parts of the plants that is being asked in the picture. I will give you 2 minutes to answer it, okay? Let's start. Now, for the grade 2, I want you to match the term in the column A to the description of column B. Did you get it? Okay, I will give you 2 minutes to answer your activity. Okay, you may start. So now that you understand our lesson, I have some questions to you, my students. For grade 1 and grade 2, what are the 5 parts of the plant? Okay, very good. And for grade 2, what are the function of each part? Roots, the stem, the leaves, the fruit, and the flower. Okay, very good. So, last question. Based on your understanding, why it is important to protect our plants? Very good. It is important to protect our plants because it is necessary for our daily living, because plants gives food and oxygen. So, your last activity, you have to answer this. This is for grade 1. Draw a plant and label its part, and for grade 2, choose the letter of the correct answer. Okay? You may start. Okay, very good. All of you got a perfect score. For your assignment, you have to picture a plant in your backyard or in your garden and label its part. I am glad that you are able to attend our science class for today, and you get to learn the parts of the plant and its functions. As we end our class, I am your teacher, Teacher Diana, saying goodbye and thank you. Bye, kids!